A short video about motorcycle tyre safety. We're part of the Tyre Safe network with Pointers. Here's a tyre which you can see has completely blown out. Look inside, you'll see it's been repaired and blown out on the repair. Again, quick loss of pressure to a bike rider could be fatal. Lose control of the bike. Serious accident or worse. Another tyre here, been repaired. As you can see, real pressure on the tyre. Battery's coming off. Again, this came with a puncture. Again, loss of pressure in the back of the motorbike at high speed could be fatal. And the customer came in with this tyre for a puncture. You see it's had been on long, pretty new. You can see here it's been badly fitted by somebody and they've ripped all the bead. Again, that could have caused loss of pressure, and again at high speed on a fast bike that could be fatal. So that's the dangers of puncture repairs and going to some of these part 1 dealers for tyres.